Welcome back to the show. Let's talk to Sandy Segal. He's a trader. The entity he now represents is Trading Futures in Action. Sandy, welcome to the show.
Good morning. How are you today?
Yeah, all good. Now, in the simplest form, you've moved on from your previous firm. You've joined this entity with a colleague, Bob Amico. You're veteran traders. Basically, you intraday the markets. It says here that you were the #1 ranked trade room for 2015 and you were both the head traders. So what's going on? Tell me about this new entity.
But basically, our last entity was ranked #1 trade room with 3 traders, me, Bob, and another one. Me and Bob have moved on and set up our own entity now. It's social trading. The two of us are trading, showing our live order execution DOM, so you can see when we get into a trade, where our stops are and where our targets are.
Okay, so this is totally transparent. So if I'm a trainee trader, I can basically piggyback and see what you're doing. And obviously you assume that if you were the #1 ranked trading room, that you guys know what you're doing.
Absolutely. What we're doing is we're opening up a new level of transparency in the market, because a lot of other trade rooms, they trade in sim. They'll call trades and you don't really know if they've actually entered the trade. They don't really show you the slippage they get, the fact that they don't get the price that they've actually called. If we don't get the price we've called, we show the price that we've got. If we get slipped on our targets, our DOM shows our P&L for the day, and we can't use mine and Bob's DOM, so we just use Bob's.
Sorry, I'm not familiar with that term. What is a DOM?
It's a direct order entry matrix. It's basically a price ladder with showing the level 2 market depth and showing all the bid asks at all the different prices. And on that order entry, you can see the total P&L that we've made. You can see when we're getting in. You can see the slippage if we get any, and you can see our P&L as it progresses throughout the day. If you want to take the same trades, if you understand our trading system and you want to follow along, you can. If you don't want to, you can just watch and learn.
Right, so just to clarify and quantify, okay, I'm seeing the trading blotter, I'm seeing the open positions, I'm seeing the closed positions, I'm seeing the limit positions, and I'm seeing your daily P&L.
Exactly.
So there's basically nowhere to hide for you guys, whether you're winners or indeed losers.
Exactly.
Okay,
exactly. I mean, it's purely transparent. What we're trying to do is also set up some automated system, which we haven't done yet, which will publish our trades directly onto a website. At the moment, I manually have to do that at the end of every day. We have a track record page on our website that shows all of our trades, whether there were wins or losses, our entries. Sometimes we forget to put our stops on but they're normally 7 to 10 ticks. And our first targets and our second targets, trading 3 lots.
Okay, so my next question, what contracts are you covering?
Okay, we're trading crude, we're trading euro, sometimes we trade gold, and we trade the ES,
okay.
S&P.
So I've watched this, I'm interested. How much does it cost for me to basically take a look at your homework?
Okay, well, you can contact us by going to tradingfuturesinaction.com and go to the contact us page, and Bob will arrange for you to have a free trial with us. So it's going to cost you nothing. It's a long and short of it. Once you're happy, once you understand what we do and you want to join us, it's $249 a month.
Okay, I've got to say, that doesn't sound like a huge amount of money to me. Is that in line with the market, or is that cheaper, more expensive?
It's about half the price the market would normally charge. The market charges anything from $350 to $500, $600 a month. We're just launching our business. We've been running it now for 6 weeks. We've had 50 traders join us, and really our main source of income is our own trading rather than the room fees. We want to get as many people in with us as possible, and we will raise the fees to $349 soon.
Okay, so give me a tip of the day for the Tip TV crowd.
Okay, well, we're looking for more shorts on crude, and we think crude could go down to as low as $35.
Right, you sound like Goldman Sachs. Okay, Sandy Seagull, a trader at tradingfuturesinaction.com. Thank you for taking time out from the Tip TV crowd. We'll talk to you in 2 weeks' time. Sandy, thanks for that. Happy Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you, sir. Bye, everyone.
Let's take a very quick break and then we'll be straight back. Thank you.